Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. Many years ago, 9 years ago to be exact, I started this company, Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. One of the first things I did was I wrote down 5 core values. They've been the guiding principles that have led this company for the 9 years we've been in business. I wanted to share them with you this week. So today we're going to talk about the first one. It's called Deliver Value. My company extends value to our clients daily, every day, every time. We never take a break. We recognize that our customers deserve us working hard to help them deliver ambitious results. That's the first of our core values. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I'll see you next time for number 2.